So we're here today with our friends at Zippos Circus to hold a very special day out for families with a child with cancer. They get to go and see the circus performance, they get to meet the stars of the show, and they get a huge buffet lunch party as well.
How are you enjoying the day so far?
The day's been wonderful so far. The circus acts have been great, the atmosphere is brilliant, and it's nice to see lots of families.
Cancer affects the whole family. Often there are siblings in the family, and all the focus is obviously on the child with cancer, and this is really an opportunity for the whole family to come together, to forget about their worries and to just have fun.
It's just really nice to spend time with people who you know have been through what you've been through, because I don't think unless you have, you can understand what it's like, and it's really nice for the kids to catch up with families that they don't see very often.